GG's à? Kim. Kim kìa.
We don't own a car. We are going to own a car.
That's important. What's absolutely necessary?
At least
Where's your Una? You wanna hug your Una?
2.5 bathrooms for sure. Possible to also have an office space, ideally some outside space.
You wanna hug your Una? Give hug? Give Una a kiss?
We both love home projects.
No?
Right?
Okay.
So why not an apartment that maybe has some renovations to do or a total renovation?
We'll see. We'll see how much renovation actually we want to do.
Okay.
That sounds
Or
good.
maybe.
So really,
Here. นอนตื่นใหม่นอนตื่นใหม่ Here's your Una.
it comes with
เอาอูน่าซะอูน่าซะอูน่า
หอมซะ
หอม
หอมซะ
หอมอูน่าซะหอมอูน่าซะ Why are you so angry? นอนบ่อิ่มบ่ตุ้มมือเดินเลยตุ้มมือเดินกันเลยตุ้มมือเดินกันเลยบ๊ายบายแม่เลี้ยอะไรลูกดูเฮ้ยยักกี้เลยยักกี้เลยชูเฮ้ยยักกี้เลยชู
Oh yeah! Super Monsters, catch that Wingo!
นอนที
I
วี
know my Wingo's better than anyone. Trouble always goes left. And Bubble always goes right. Bats! My boomerang's probably at the bottom of the lake. I'll never get it back.
เอ้ย
I know you didn't mean to. Sorry about your boomerang, Jack. Hey, look! A neon night owl!
Luna movie
Let's go!
Luna movie โอ้
Succeeded in getting Mike a meeting at a local supermarket chain. But Mike has always struggled as a salesman, and he's about to make the biggest pitch of his life.
He's interested in products on the shelf, stores, and marriages. It's a very big deal because it's a major grocery store chain. So this one store can be a gateway to other big liquids. I want to be able to tell Gloria, hey, the work you put in to get these meetings is paid off. So I think close the deal. I've got pressure to grow this business and get my brand out there. It's extra pressure we got a family relying on me. I've got to be able to make sure I can continue to provide for my kids that they can continue to live the life they become accustomed to.
As we get situated
So no, you pencils conversations with my wife.
buy the good retail price on the product, I can help you get into a lot of the other things.
What is this mushroom
But the thing is, you're competing against all the big ones. So what I want to do is see what it tastes
It's too
like.
it was too big for her The bun sandwich is sold for $9. The bun sandwich is $9.
So we can get where we gotta
The
go.
spring roll is
This
$5.
is a make or break situation. It's not like, hey, if this doesn't work out, I have another gig to go to. This is our entire savings. This is our do more
The bun
networking
sandwich is
thing.
sold for $9.
What we gotta do?
The bun sandwich is $9.
So we can get where we gotta
The
go.
spring roll is
This
$5.
is a make or break situation. It's not like, hey, if this doesn't work out, I have another gig to go to. This is our entire savings. This is our
Try to put myself to do a 60-second video every day and post it across social media is going to be challenging for me. But someone's starting a confidence, so I guess I can do it.
When I'm in the room pushing him to make more content, of course he's going to do it. But what happens when I leave? I really want to see Mike step up here.
มักลิ้นเนี่ยผมอยากลิ้น
I know
ลิ้นโมงลิ้น
Yes, we're gonna bring business cards too, huh?
Yeah. Since Jen quit her job, Claudia's sales have flatlined. Fear of failure paralyzed her big decision. But she
Can you tutu?
Can you tutu? Tutu lah, ramai tutu.
ผู้สูงค่ะ
Tutu mà lục tutuอีกเด้อมาtutuอีกเด้อ
The trouble with entrepreneurs and pivot is that they may take $100,000 and they may inject it into the plan. But Plan A may no longer be the right plan.
Yeah, we need to give the money to
Come here.
vendors that
Come here.
are agile
Come here.
and open to embracing Plan C, D, E, and F.
Over here?
ฮะลูกนี่มาลูกมานี่นะ
I am on my way.
With
Yeah,
only
yeah,
80
yeah.
tickets sold,
Yeah.
this game is a massive loss for
Yeah.
Alex and Sabrina.
It does worry me. We're losing a significant amount of money. And I'm trying to rob Peter to put Paul
Come
in
here.
order to get this business up
Come
and
here.
going. So, we don't have a choice. It has to work. Only to
Mommy.
prove to himself.
She monkey fun ป่ะ monkey เรือกันจะเป็นแจ็คไหมลูกจะเป็นแจ็คไหม กัดวันนี้กัด ฟอนเนี่ยเหล่าฟอนดูลูกเอาเองเหล่าฟอนอีกลูกเหล่าฟอนเนี่ยอะไรเหล่าฟอนเนี่ยอะไรลูกมันก็จุกมือลูกเลยเอาหมดเก่าแล้วนี่เมื่อยืนแล้วอ้าวมานี่ที่เราพูดตอนนี้ที่เราพูดที่เราบอกพอจะฟ้องเนี่ยนั่นเนาะคนรู้หน้าพาฟ้อนเนี่ยนะไอ้ตะขี้เหล่าหรือฟ้อนนั่นแหละลูก at what you did to your grandma, Luna.
Your turn, Snuffletail.
Okay, go.
จักจะดูดนมจักจะคว้า
เห็นจะคิดเหล่าแล้วฟอนนั่นนะลูก Look what you did to your grandma, Luna.
คว้านโดนเข้าไป
คิดเหล่าฟ